It doesn't matter what your age. It doesn't matter what your gender. It doesn't matter what your race. It is cancer. 1 out of 3 women,
1 out of 3 people.
have cancer, affected by cancer, have family, friends, or whatever. Some of us are in remission. Some of us are in treatment. Some of us have lost someone. The new Huffman Auto Group has decided to be with the American Cancer Society. And today we want to present our check that we have put together for the American Cancer Society. Terry? Oh, that number's not right. Hold on a second. It's not $11,000.
Lord.
$31,000.
Oh my
Whoa.
goodness.
Whoa.
On behalf of the Neil Huffman Auto Group, we are presenting you not this check, but these checks. And this is from us because we've lost someone, because we're in remission, because we're in treatment, because we have family and friends who have been affected by cancer. Any way you can help our family become survivors, that's what we're working on. So this is from us to you.
On behalf of the American Cancer Society, Kim and family and friends, you don't know how much this means to people who have never been diagnosed, to people who have been diagnosed, to caregivers. This and people who do things like this, and companies and families and friends who come together and do this, you are saving lives. And I thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all.